Immy Taylor is a British contortionist, acro-gymnast, dancer, all-star cheerleader and aspiring actress based in London, England. She is described as a young performer whose social media presence is managed by her parents, suggesting she was likely in her early teens when she began gaining online fame around 2019. From a young age, Taylor exhibited exceptional flexibility and athleticism, training rigorously in gymnastics, acrobatics, dance and cheerleading. Her passion for physical performance and creativity has driven her to blend traditional disciplines with viral digital content, inspiring a global audience with her gravity-defying skills. By 2025, Taylor has solidified her status as a renowned influencer in the acrobatics and fitness community, with a following that spans Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Her content emphasizes joy, resilience, and accessibility, encouraging viewers to try flexibility exercises and pursue their passions. She maintains an active presence on Facebook as a British all-star cheerleader, gymnast, and contortionist. Transitioning into acting, Taylor made her on-screen debut in 2024 with roles in the sci-fi drama Origin, as well as the short films Abandoned and Within. This project leveraged her physical talents, marking her evolution from digital performer to multifaceted entertainer. As of late 2025, she continues to tease new routines on social media, such as innovative bendy shapes for upcoming performances. In 2020, she expanded to TikTok, posting short-form videos that highlighted her flexibility, including a popular collaboration with fellow influencer Anna McNulty to the song Unwritten by Natasha Bedingfield. That same year, Taylor auditioned successfully to become a brand ambassador for Varsany, a performance wear company, and promoted dance suits from Kids Dancewear on her platform.